Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. Now, I will walk you through how to allocate parts for maintenance work orders on the Asset Plus CMMS platform during this session. To begin, log into your Fogwing Asset account. Once logged in, click on the Work Order menu item on the menu to navigate to the Work Order page on your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Select the work order for which you wish to allocate the parts. Click on the three dots under the Action section. Click on Allocate Parts. You will be directed to the Parts Allocation page. Mention the name of the part you wish to allocate. Mention the reserve quantity and click on the Allocate button. Congratulations! You have successfully allocated the part to your work order. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus part allocation demo. We're excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.